What's up, guys? Travis Suppressor, and today I'm visiting Old Town Alexandria, Virginia, all right? My state, Virginia, all right? So I really want to promote Virginia and everything Virginia like, right? So like I said, right now I'm at Captain's Row. Not too sure, I'm not too sure what exactly is Captain Row, but don't worry, got them pop-ups for you. So right now we're gonna take this little course. I think it's about 7 or 8 points on this particular course that we're gonna take. And it's pretty much to show, I guess, the architecture side of, I guess it predates the Revolutionary War. So we're gonna do that. Got the wife behind the camera, so you know everything's gonna be good, legit. All right, let's go. Okay, so coming up Captain's Row, which is the cobblestone street, at the very beginning of it is the Athenaeum. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it right. So literally, they call it a pretty in pink, as you can see behind me, and is built in the Greek revival style. And today, it's an art gallery serving as home of the Northern Virginia Fine Arts Association. Now, I'm not gonna go inside today, but I highly encourage anybody that come and visit, you know, make sure you check out the store hours and go inside and you just pay a visit. Because I'm definitely gonna go inside one of these days, just not today. Today, I just, like I said, I wanna focus on more letting you guys know what we have in store in Old Town Alexandria. All right, so on our way from the Athenaeum, we're just crossing right behind me is a farmer's market. So I'm not gonna go over there, but I just want to make sure you guys know there's a farmer's market in Old Town Alexandria. And we're still we're making our way to the Carlisle House, all right? Just want to make sure I told you guys that. All right, you can see directly behind me, we made it to the Carlisle House, which it's a Greek Palladian-style type of mansion. And it's actually on North Fairfax Street, and it's home of the Scottish city founder, John Carlyle. So it's actually built in 1752, and it was restored in 1976, all right? So it's actually pretty beautiful, as you can see. Key note is, I try to go in there, but I guess you got to have a permit to take pictures or record and stuff like that. Or maybe if you're on a tour, it might be encompassing, because I see some people on the grassy knoll that they're recording and taking pictures. So maybe part of the tour, but I'm not gonna go inside. I'm not gonna pay that fee, whatever it is, because it's only for 2 hours anyway, and I don't plan on being here for 2 hours. So that's just something to note. I'll make sure I have something like that as a pop-up as well, just in case you missed the commentary. All right, so let's keep going. All right, so after coming from the Carlisle House, we made our way onto Queen Street. And so on Queen Street, they have their crown jewel. As you can see behind me, it's a tiny cobalt blue spite house. I have to learn a little bit more about it, but it looks funny as hell to me, right? How somebody put that very, very slender house in the middle between the two other houses. That's absolutely funny. I'm definitely going to have a pop up on that to make sure I know what the hell, who, why, and you know, all the 5 W's, all right? All right, so let's keep walking. We should be going to the Christ Church next, which kind of ends the tour of all these particular architectural feats in Old Town Alexandria. All right, guys, so we just got to the last stop on this particular architectural tour of Old Town. We're actually at the Christ Church. It's an 18th century English country style church on North Washington Street on the intersection of Cameron Street, all right? So just reading a little bit on this sign, it says actually completed by John Carlyle. Remember that name from earlier in the video. It was in 1773. So he said there's a little bit of history going on in, like I said, Old Town. It definitely predates the revolutionary times, the war. So we're actually on holy ground right now. You can see on the other side, on either side of this pathway, there's a cemetery. And obviously, like I said, right behind me is the church, all right? So I hope you enjoyed the Old Town architectural tour I just gave you. There's plenty more to see. There's a lot to see. I mean, there's tons and tons to see. But I definitely wanted to highlight a few of the main features of Old Town. And I hope you enjoyed it. So this is Travis of Preston. See you guys next Monday, all right? Peace.